काय घालस पण
डोसा.
डोसा मग कशाला कांदा बंदा कोथिंबीर काय करणार
तुम्हाला उत्तप्पा पण पाहिजे ना.
काय
उत्तप्पा.
उत्तप्पा करणार आहे बर 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 आणि काय काय तयारी झाल्या
चटणी केली, भाजी केली.
काय बरं तिकडे काय आहे भांडी छान असलीस तेलाच बॉटल पण बारकं कर आहे का शेको अरू गुड मॉर्निंग what are you doing you guys are watching TV okay good job you heard about it is 10 p.m. Aru it's 10 p.m. now still you sleeping
I'm not sleeping.
lazy girl
Are you seriously?
yes I'm serious but it is 10 p.m. Aru see Chiki is doing study what are you doing Chiku what is that key what is that lion
Good. Good.
ah
Oh no.
Chiku, what do you want? You want dosa? What do you want, Chiku? What do you want? Dosa?
बाजूला वाट बाळा.
What do you want?
Dosa.
Plain dosa,
Huh?
masala dosa, uttappa, sponge dosa. What do you want?
Sponge dosa.
Okay, you want sponge dosa. Batter is ready.
Yes.
कसा काय हरवत आहे हो
Daddy, why is it Marathi?
Mummy is still learning English, so we have to talk Marathi as well.
Sure.
This is uttappa, I think so.
Dad. Mummy, Dad. Show.
Uttappa.
आरवी मग काय म्हणते चिकू? Show me.
Uttappa. Chiku, uttappa. Uttappa. Yappu. Yappu नाही uttappa.
हो.
Mommy.
Oh, बापू.
Show.
पहिल्या आधी सुटत नाही लवकर.
पहिला डोसा कसा उठते बघूया
ए
उत्तप्पा तरी पण उठलाच की छान उठलाय
पहिला जरा तेल हे करत गप ना बाळा.
बीटचा तवा वापरायचा असतो तुम्ही वापरताय हो साधा तवा बीटचा तवा वापरला कलर येतो चांगला
हा मला पण येतो थांबा जरा 2 मिनिट. पहिला असलं की जरा असा उठच. अरे बाळा गप ना.
Chiku.
Look Look my bracelet.
Hmm.
Mm.
Chico.
And where some this holiday.
Yes, today is holiday. Uttappa came here. Nice Uttappa by Aarvi's kitchen. Guys are sit for eat the Uttappa. Yummy. What?
Yummy. Cat.
Huh?
Cool. Keep her.
Chala.
I will eat it. So yummy.
It is hot, Chico. It is hot. Eat.
तिखट आहे आरू.
Let me try.
So yummy.
Hmm?
So yummy.
Okay.
My mom is making. Look, my mom is making.
समजा ना.
My mom is good. Mom is so good, and she makes something yummy and smelly.
पीठ काय?
Guys,
Yummy?
yummy.
Okay.
Mommy, give me. Yummy.
छान झाली.
Thank you.
Daddy.
Yummy. उठते का नाही आज? किती वाटते मला?
मला नुसतं साईडचं दे. No, Chiki. So yummy. Truly.
काय करणार, sponge काय?
Yes, पण डोसा.
Daddy.
चिक्कूला आणि आरवीला.
जरा मोठा झाला की स्पंज. छोटा असतो ना? एवढा
छोटाच
असतो.
आहेत.
What do you want, Aru?
This dosa. Look, I have a sponge dosa.
Sponge dosa. Okay.
Mommy. Sean.
Chiki. You have dosa, right?
Machine.
You eat it.
Yay.
Eat. Go and eat.
Huh. Yummy. Go there.
You want one more? You want one more?
No.
Huh? Then go outside.
Mommy, only go there. I want one more. Two.
Two. You want two?
No.
Huh? Wow, nice.
Let's go. Mommy,
Mummy is making sponge dosa.
Mom, Daddy.
Hmm?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Mommy, I want another one.
इथे ठेव. देते.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello guys. Look, I'm the sponge dosa for us. What are you doing today? Mommy.
Oh.
Daddy, wow.
Go guys, go outside.
No, I'm looking.
Sponge.
I want to eat all of them.
Sponge.
Oh, nice.
Mommy is good chef for us to make.
Go sit.
Dad,